Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In the last video we saw how to create a Gmail account. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Gmail account. So open a web browser and go to google.com and click on this Gmail link. Click on this sign in button and enter the Gmail address which you want to delete. Click next. Enter the password. Click next. Once you are logged in, open a new tab and paste this address provided in the description box. Hit enter. You will see the screen. Select the option which says delete your Google account. Scroll down and click on these two check boxes which says your data will be deleted permanently. Click on delete account. That's it. Your account has been deleted. Just to confirm, go back to google.com and click on this Gmail link and enter the Gmail address which was just now deleted. Click next, and here you can see that the account has been deleted. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.